In today's video, we're going to learn this.
Nice.
Let's roll.
Select Text tool. Select first word and change its solid color to linear. Follow this step for the rest of words.
A few moments later.
Frame this letter using Frame tool or press F on keyboard. Duplicate this frame using Ctrl+D. Move upward this text layer using arrow key. Follow these steps for the rest of words. Select all frames and create component set. Switch to prototype and follow interaction details. Select frame 1 and click on plus sign. Switch to design and create new frame. Add text using text tool. While holding Alt key, drag and drop this variant layer to this new frame. Hit the play button.
Meanwhile, yeah, boy.